In this tutorial, we will see that how you can add Telegram link in TikTok. So let's dive right in. So there are two steps to do it. For the first step, you need to open this Telegram. Then on the left upper side, you will see here these three lines. Click on that and then you need to open this settings from here. After opening it, here you will find these sum of details like number, name and username. In this username, you can see here it's showing none. You have to open it and firstly, you have to set your username. Like if I type here this one, after selecting your username, at the right upper side, you will find this tick option. Click on that and your username will be set. So now after setting this username, you can open it and simply copy it. Keep tap on that, it will show here this copy option. Copy it from here, then close it and open up your TikTok app where you will see this edit profile. Click on that edit profile. Here you have to find this website option. Click on that website. Now from here you have to type https://t.me/your username that you have just copied from your Telegram. After pasting it, you can simply save it from right upper side. Now if you refresh your page, you will find here your Telegram link here. So that's how you can add Telegram link in TikTok in just few easy steps.